Hello everyone. This time I am doing bottle art with a twist so that it can be used as planter for indoor as well as outdoor purpose. You can see this beautiful piece as a home decor. So welcome back to my channel. For this, I bought a wooden plank of thickness half inches and width 2 inches, and I divide it into 4 parts in which 2 sides are of equal length and other 2 are of equal length. The sides are according to the size of the bottle. Here I am marking 3 points so that I can place my 3 bottles at equal distance. Now at mark position I am making a hole with the help of drilling machine. This is hole cutter for drilling machine. After cutting, you need to smoothen the surface with the help of sandpaper. Now we need to give 1 coat of varnish on the wooden plank for shine and durability. You can use any normal brush for this. You don't have to use good quality brush for this. Here I am hitting cutter on the gas flame in order to remove plastic part of the bottle so that I can insert plants inside the bottle. For the bottle art, I made this sponge stamp by cutting sponge in round shape and placing a pencil with the help of glue gun above it. After drying, go for the second coat of white acrylic color. I am using brush for it. For this, you should use equal size of bottles. It should be of similar type. I will provide the specifications about length and measurements in the description box, but it may vary if you are choosing different type of and size of bottle. placing a round wooden block with the help of glue gun, which will become base for my bottle. After attaching 3 sides with the help of nails, I was thinking of placing first bottle and then seal it with the 4th side so that I don't have to adjust with the alignment. But it becomes very difficult to attach 4th side, so I remove the bottle, first attach 4th plank and then start placing bottle. After finishing, I find gap at both the end, so I was thinking of placing one more wooden plank in between them to reduce the gap with the help of clear adhesive. So let me know in the comment section, do you like the first look more better or the second one? I hope you liked today's video. Do let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.